This looks like a warehouse, right? So I wanted to get a Cricut maker. I also wanted to try my hand at sublimation, and I also wanted to make mugs. So what you see here is a Epson ET2720 printer. I'm going to make that a sublimation printer. It is actually a inkjet printer, but what you do is you put sublimation ink into it instead of the inkjet type of ink. And then the boxes that you see over top, at the tippy top, I don't think it's in view of the camera, but that is the sublimation ink. And then the other boxes on top of the printer are my sublimation mugs. And then the box right there is the Cricut mug press. The two boxes under that is the part of the Cricut Maker everything package, and then the other box is the everything sublimation package. So I'm gonna go through these one by one. So I'm gonna first start with my Cricut Maker. And so, as most of you know, I already have a Cricut Explore Air, but I've been contemplating for a few years of getting a Cricut Maker. I didn't really want to buy the Cricut Explore 2, so I just said, I'll just get the Cricut Maker. So that's what I'm gonna get, or that's what I'm gonna be using. And I'll still use my Cricut Explore Air from time to time too. Hey you guys, so this is an unboxing of my Cricut. I'm not going to make anything with it right now. I'm just unboxing. So I had got this as part of the Cricut Everything, Cricut Maker Everything package. So I'm just gonna open this up. Hopefully you can see me because I don't have a flip-up screen on this camera. And I didn't feel like going through the heat hall of getting my other camera. So, this, let me just, oh my goodness, this is heavy, y'all. This is way heavier than my Cricut Explore. Oh my goodness. So, this was the, I can't remember which one it is, but it has like a lilac. That might have been what color it was, lilac. So, as you can see, it comes with the Cricut Maker. It comes with a premium fine point blade, a rotary blade, a fine point pen, and then on this other side it has what else you can buy. And I am probably going to buy the scoring wheel. Yeah, I think I am going to get the scoring wheel. I thought it came with it, but I'll just purchase it. Okay, y'all, I got to do some more cutting. So this says, let's get started. Now we're just going to take a sneaky peeky of what's in here. Oh, I can't even open it. My gosh. Okay. Okay, so this has the USB cord and the pen and a rotary blade cover. And then this is the rotary blade, I guess. So we'll just set that there. This is some, I guess it just tells you about different things about the Cricut. This says open me first. So it says unleash this beauty, get connected, make a little something, bookmark this page. I mean, some of the stuff I probably won't even really, like some of it won't be new to me because I do have a Cricut Explorer Air. So I'm kind of familiar with it already. But I will give it all a look over. And then this is a welcome. Materials for your first project. I guess we could take a look at it and see what it is. Let's see, what's that? I don't know what that is. And I don't know what this is. It must be to make a card, I guess, maybe. I don't know. We'll look at that in a little bit. Or I'll look at it in a little bit because I'm not making anything right this moment. I'm just unboxing it. And so we have 2 cutting mats. And the cord, the power cord. And so I'm going to take the box and move it there. So we'll get that off of there. And then we have this, y'all, I don't know what color this is that I had got. I mean, I do like it. When I had ordered this, they didn't have very many left. They were like sold out. And it was only like 2 colors left in the package that I wanted. It's a little heavier than the one thing, so how do you open this? Because on the Explorer, so do you, oh, okay. Oh, it automatically opens. So you have to lift that, because on the Explorer Air, you have a button that you press to open it. So this is a lot bigger. The storage part is a lot bigger than the Cricut Explorer Air. I can't wait to use this, y'all. So basically, that concludes my unboxing. Now I'm going to have to put it over where I'm going to store it, because I have a shelf that I have my Cameo, my Silhouette Cameo, my Cricut Explorer Air, and now this one will go over there, and also my sublimation printer will go over there. So on the shelf that all of this will be on, it'll be 3 cutting machines and 2 printers. One is a regular inkjet printer that I use for making planner stickers, and then the other one will be for sublimation, for making t-shirts, hats, cups, just whatever. Y'all, so I am doing a unboxing. This is what came with my Cricut Maker Everything package. So we're gonna see what all is in it, y'all. So as you know, I always have camera angle problems, and I had to use a different camera this time. But this right here says portable trimmer. So it's a paper trimmer. And then there's this basic tool set, which is really cool. let me get this paper. Oh, let's see what this is. This is the True Control Knife. This right here is the Scoring Stylus. I'm not sure how this works. Like, does it go in the Cricut Maker, or do you just use it on its own? Guys, I have so much to learn about the Maker. Now, I do have the Cricut Explorer Air, and I have had that for a number of years. Oh, okay, let's see, y'all. We got some goodies. Okay, let's see what this is right here. So this right here is a gel pen set. Those are some pretty colors too. So we have some vinyl. So this is chalkboard vinyl. This is really cool. And then we have, oh wow, dry erase vinyl. How cool is that, y'all? Then we have some Cricut transfer tape. We have some premium vinyl, and this is removable matte, and it has looks like it has about 3 different colors in it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, looks like it has 3 colors. And this right here is stencil vinyl, so that ought to be pretty cool too. This right here is adhesive foil, and there's a few sheets in there. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 of those. And then we have foil iron-on. And let's see how many colors is that. There's 4 of these. Yep, 4 of those. This is everyday iron-on. Says strong bond, and it comes with 3 12x12 sheets. Okay, y'all. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay, this is cardstock, 12x12, 24 sheets. Okay, so that is pretty cool. This is, it says foil poster board, fairy tale sampler. And so this has, it says 10 sheets, 2 each, and it has 5 colors of that. And this is glitter cardstock, and we have 10 sheets of that, 5 colors. Oh, it's so glittery, isn't it? And then we have, it says that this is 3 mats. These are 12x12 mats. Well, it says variety pack. So let's open it and see which mats they are, because it says variety pack. So this is the strong grip. Oh, this is the standard grip. I'm sorry, I was holding that all crazy. So this is the standard grip mat. This is the light grip. And then let's see what this last one is. And this last one is the strong grip mat. So you guys, the Cricut Everything package really does have a nice variety. This, and like I said before, this is the Cricut maker everything package, because they also have a Cricut mug press everything package. So we'll put everything back in here until I get ready to put this stuff up. And so this is what came with my Cricut maker. And so thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you will join me when I am crafting with my Cricut.